All right, you guys, begin with your feet hip width apart, soft bend on your knees. Abs are engaged, rib cage is closed. Big inhale, up. Exhale, let it go. Again, big inhale, up. Exhale, let it go. Starting to build a little bit of heat. Exhale, release. Last time right here, big reach. And drop. Good, roll your shoulders. Up and back. Take it up and back 2 more times. Reach. Good, now add a big circle through your arms. Up and around. Up and around. Yes, you're just finding some mobility in your shoulders. Keeping the core engaged. Up and around. For 2. Good, last one. Bring your feet wide. You're gonna pull in and press up. Inhale, down. Exhale, reach. Nice wide squeeze into those inner and outer thighs. Last time here, squeeze. Hold it at the top. Press your palms together. We're gonna roll down. Stretch your legs. Roll up through the spine. Lift those arms overhead. Again, press down, down. Hands down, hips lift up. Roll it up. And reach. Good, take it down. Really rolling through the vertebrae, you guys. Take it all the way back up. Good, on this next one, hold your arms up and overhead. Drop your left arm and take a side body stretch here. You got it. Shoulder away from your ear. And plie through the center. Roll back up. Other side, we drop over. Shoulder away from your ear. And drop your body forward. Roll up through the spine. We're gonna take the toes out, drop your chest. Sway side to side through those legs. Just opening up through our hips. Dip your right shoulder forward. Lift all the way up. Dip your left shoulder forward. Feeling that twist in our spine. And then lift back up to the top, heel toe your feet together. Good, I want you to swing your arms all the way around behind your spine. Press your palms together and open your heart, open your chest. Here, maybe sway side to side. Keep a little bend in your knees for me. Keep your abs tight. And then come back to your center. Keep those hands clasped. Start to dive your chest forward over your legs. Feeling that little hinge in your hips. Reaching the bottom of your space. Let the gravity pull those arms together down towards the floor. And then on your exhale, we're gonna release the hands down to the ground. Start to bend your knees all the way down to find yourself in that tight little ball. Let your head fall between your knees. Breathe. And then we'll carefully take a seat back on those booties. Bring your left foot in. Your right leg is gonna reach long. Arms out to the side. Big inhale for me. As you exhale, side body stretch. Finding that reach over your head here. It can be higher, it can be further. Shoulder away from that ear. And then exhale, lift your body up. We're gonna square our body towards that front leg and then take a little fold over here, just as far as you can go. Good, roll yourself back up, switching legs. Left leg goes long. Inhale those arms out to the side. And then exhale, fold over, reaching energy out that top arm. Shoulder away from your ear. Take a big breath. On your exhale, lift it up. Woo, square over towards that front leg and fold forward wherever you are. That is right where you need to be today. And then on your exhale, roll back up through the spine. Take this right leg and meet it with your left foot. Sitting tall, core tight, big inhale. Reach the arms up and over your shoulders. And then on your exhale, fold forward and then release over those legs. Nice hamstring stretch here. Beautiful, you guys. And then roll yourself up through your spine. You're gonna take this left leg, cross it over, and then you're gonna take your right arm and twist. So opposite arm as opposite leg is connected here, and you're finding that twist towards the leg that's crossed. Nice spinal twist. Good, and release your body, come back through center, stretch that left leg, right leg crosses, left arm up, elbow to knee, find that twist. Beautiful. And then unwind your body, take both legs in front of you. You're gonna reach your arms in front of your body, slowly roll through your spine, one vertebrae at a time. Rest your head down, draw your knees into your chest. Just sway your knees side to side, massaging that lower back gently on the mat. Good, you guys. Keep your right knee pulled in, send your left leg straight. Extend the leg up to the sky. You're gonna bend your knee in for 2, then stretch for 2. Good, bend in for 2. So it's okay if it's not high, but I want you to feel the length every time you extend that leg. There should be a little pull through that hamstring. One more time here. Hold the leg up at the top, strong and straight. Just hold 4, let it shake. Maybe pull a little closer for 2. And on 1, release that leg all the way down. Feel length in the body. And then draw your left knee into the chest. We're gonna extend that left leg straight and bend down, down, stretch, up and up. Bend down, down, lift up for 2. Same thing here, I want you to focus on the length rather than the height of your leg. Last one. Hold it nice and straight. Extend that leg, just hold. For 3, keep your breath, pull closer, 2. And last one, release that leg, arms overhead, legs long. Good morning stretch here, shake your legs out. Woo! Good, you guys, we're gonna flip onto our front sides. So gently flip onto your belly. Place your hands next to your armpits here. You're gonna take an exhale as you press into your palms. Finding a little cobra stretch here, stretching the front side of our body, shoulders away from your ears. Lower down, down, down. 2 counts to lift up. We lift up for 2. We lower down for 2. Lift for 2. Lower down for 2. Last 2. And down. Last one here. All the way down. Good, we're gonna press onto our hands and our knees. Find your all 4 position. Shoulders are away from the ears. Core is engaged. Extend your right leg back. Left arm is long. Everything's gonna draw in. Then exhale, lift, reach long. Pull in for 2. Exhale, reach for 2. Firing into our core here. Building that strength and stability. Yes, last one, hold this one at the top. Just hold right here for 4, 3, 2, on 1, drop the hand, drop the knee. Let's take a cat-cow, drop your belly down towards the ground and then round through your spine. Let your chin hit your chest. One more time, arch through your spine, round through the spine again, chin up. Chin tucks under. And then find your neutral spine. This time left leg back, right arm long. 2 counts, pull in for 2. Reach out, 2. Pull in, 2. Reach out for 2. Give me 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Beautiful. Hold this one out. Hold for 4, 3, 2, on 1, drop the hand, drop the knee, tuck your toes under, and then press your hips up. Find a downward facing dog here. Maybe pedal at the knees, you bend right and left. Bend right and left. Really feeling the length in the back of the knee, through our calves. Good, we have 4, 3, 2, on 1, both heels drop down and hold. Really press your chest through the palms. Good, look towards your fingertips here. I want you to tiptoe your feet to meet your hands. Grab opposite elbows and just hang heavy over the legs. Softly bend through your knees and begin to rebuild your spine one vertebrae at a time until you reach the top. All right, y'all, that's all I got for you today. Let's take one last big inhale all together. Same way we started today. On your exhale, let it all go. Lift your shoulders up and then just release them down your back. Give yourself a round of applause. Hopefully your muscles feel nice and warm, nice and stretched out. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in those comments below. And if you want to support my channel, there's a couple of links in my description of this video, and you can click those and just help me continue creating content like this. See you next time.